Coupang, CPNG. Is it time to buy? Will the rhythm lead to a breakout above $32? Hello, this is TopTrader Jinlog. You can check the details along with the chart on my blog. If you want continuous analysis, please subscribe or leave a comment. If you want to receive reports quickly, please choose the priority option. Summary checkmark. Where is the key rhythm zone this time? Check the points below. Coupang recently entered a re-acceleration attempt phase after a 52-week high breakout and slight pullback. Technically, both monthly and weekly charts show a consolidation at the upper rhythm box, with an attempt to expand upward. Fundamentally, improving EBITDA margins, share buyback news and odd growth support the midterm bullish momentum. Investment opinion: pushpin short term. Wait and buy on dips. Right pointing arrow. Focus on rhythm. Consolidation phase. Pushpin midterm. Upward trend potential remains valid. Pushpin likely to repeat. Breakout phases driven by news policy catalysts. Right pointing arrow. Performance expectation 2-week target. Plus 4.2%. Right pointing arrow. $29.65. Probability 60%. 2-month target. Plus 2.5%. Right pointing arrow. $32. Probability 70%. 2-year long-term target. Plus 2.8%. Right pointing arrow. $43.50. Probability 80%. VPAR chart explanation. This is the Coupang chart, CPNG, as requested for analysis. The circled areas in the past and present are potential short-term trend, yellow consolidation and upward trend points. These points have a higher probability and potential return when they are near the swing line, white, or medium-term line, orange. Each chart has its own wave tension and trend. Currently, it has clearly transitioned to a long-term trend yearly wave since April 2024 and is showing an upward sloping box pattern centered around the medium-term resistance supply. When the short-term swing deviation correction is complete, there is a possibility of a sharp upward move, shooting, if an event occurs. If it breaks below the current support box, consider it a point to enter the medium-term resistance supply box. VPAR rhythm analysis. Monthly rhythm. Testing upper box trap zone. Right pointing arrow. Watching for re-acceleration bands. Approaching upper dotted band. Right pointing arrow. Expansion potential remains valid. Momentum. RSI MACD holding strong. Right pointing arrow. Midterm bullish. Weekly rhythm. Box breakout. Right pointing arrow. Current consolidation bands. 2-0 EMA. 6-0 EMA in bullish alignment. Right pointing arrow. Ready for further upside after pullback volume. Consistent inflow. Right pointing arrow. Bullish signal. Daily rhythm. Rise. Right pointing arrow. Consolidation. Right pointing arrow. Early re-acceleration bands. Mid-box consolidation. Upper test. Ongoing MACD. Bullish crossover. Right pointing arrow. Rebuy zone approaching 60-minute rhythm. Failed breakout. Right pointing arrow. Currently consolidating within short-term box volume. Decreasing. Right pointing arrow. Momentum rebuilding. Needed trap. Upper trap formed. No full pullback. Right pointing arrow. Re-entry valid. Financials. Revenue growth continues. $7.9 billion. Plus 11%. EBITDA margin improved to 4.8%. Net profit positive. $154 million. Strong liquidity. $6 billion cash. News and risk summary. News. $15 billion credit secured. Right pointing arrow. Enhances growth flexibility. $1 billion share buyback. Right pointing arrow supports shareholder value. Coupang play showing strong growth. Right pointing arrow. Expanding odd base risks. Insider selling reported. Right pointing arrow may cause short-term sentiment dip. Global expansion costs increasing. Strategy scenario. Bullseye entry. Buy in the $27.80 to $28.20 range. Bullseye targets. First target, $29.65. Probability 60%. Second target, $32. Probability 70%. Third target, long term, $43.50. Probability 80%. Prohibited stop loss below $26.90. Right pointing arrow. Trim half position below $25.50. Right pointing arrow. Full exit. Outlook. A new re-acceleration phase is unfolding after consolidation. The midterm bullish momentum remains valid, supported by fundamental drivers. Watch the next 2 to 4 weeks for potential breakout above key resistance zones. Deep report. Institutional flow. Foreign net buying continues. Institutional selling slowing. Short interest reduced to approximately 1.1%. Social trends. Positive keywords on Coupang play. Share buyback 52-week high. Summary. Coupang remains in a midterm bullish rhythm. Current phase offers a buy the dip opportunity, with potential for re-acceleration in coming weeks.